Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 10 best landscaping ideas for your front yard. Before that, please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Okay, here are 10 best landscaping ideas for your front yard. Number 1. Clematis climbing wall. Nearly all clematis varieties are climbers. Picking a location near a fence, wall, arbor, or a pergola allows them to climb and best display their showy blooms. When planting near a structure, make sure plants will still receive enough sun. Do not plant where the structure's posts or overhang completely shades the plant. Number 2. Lush hydrangeas and hostas. Plant hydrangeas with foliage plants. If you have a patio garden, grow hydrangea there and adorn it with its multiple colors. Plant it in the spot where it will not receive full scorching sun. Plants like hosta and heuchera can go well with it. Number 3. Easy Care Evergreen Entryway. One of the easiest ways to add some interest to your home's front yard is to plant a colorful border of flowering plants to enliven your entryway. In this front garden idea, a mixture of annual and perennial flowers such as hydrangeas and petunias are used for a pop of color, while a few evergreen bushes ensure year-round greenery. Number 4. Mini water feature entryway. A simple water fountain feature you can place at any garden or a small front yard. This one is made out of stone with carved out tops, forming a spout in which the water flows. The water flowing from the 3 level spouts fall onto a large stone basin, and the pump back up to keep the water flowing. Number 5. Showy succulent stone planters. Putting the succulent plants in a pot surfaced with showy small stones make this front yard landscaping idea significant. Moreover, these plants require little water and care. During cold or wet winters, bring your planters inside to keep the succulents healthy. Number 6. Circular shade-loving annuals flower bed. The area beneath mature shade trees can be challenging to properly landscape. Most annuals are sun-loving and don't do well in the near-constant shade of established trees. Number 7. Classic boxwood edged pathway. Classic boxwood edged pathway hedge your beds by incorporating a classic and classy boxwood hedge along your entry path. Although simple and monochromatic, the tightly leaved branches of boxwood shrubs can be easily shaped into any number of designs. Number 8. Simple lighted driveway bed. Add lighting to your driveway, optimizing its safety at night. Select the gate style and material that complement your landscaping ideas. A driveway is a great way to welcome guests and direct their focus to your home. Number 9. Cinder block planter bed. Growing healthy plants in cinder block planters. Plants can grow well in cinder block planters. But just like with any garden and any plant, you do need to take a few things into consideration, like the amount of sun they will get and the type of plants being planted. Number 10. Clean and modern stone gravel planted beds. Rocky soil and gravel beds make quick draining gardens, but lack nutrients many plants need to survive. Amending the soil is possible, if you don't mind the very long process. The other option is to find shrubs that grow in gravel. That's it. Thanks for watching. And remember, if you like this video, click that red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have any notifications turned on, so you never miss those upcoming videos. And see you next time.